May heron sila, careful.
Sige, sige. Yung mga healers ko, gawin magdikit. Kayo lang malambot dito. Come southwest. Hold on.
Anong gamit nila, Floaty?
Hodge collar.
Brawl o club?
Full
May
brawl
clap
sila.
din, may clap din, may clap din. Sige, brawl nyo, i-brawl nyo. Huwag ko na kayo mag-back. Dash. Patay agad. Kamas. North, sa
Agila,
gate.
southeast, agila.
One, now. Omi. Patay nyo. Dash. Come north. Matutu time tayo, come north. Ark, ano yun? Come north. Rigir,
Si Ace,
come north.
patulong. File si Ace.
Come north muna. Ba't nandiyan kayo? Come northwest. Def nyo yan, i-def nyo. Come northwest. Hold. Sabi naman kayo mag-ano. Hold. Def. Come southeast, 3, 2, 1, southeast now. No. Sige, full push.
Makakasalubong natin.
Push. Heal. Def. Come north muna. May Judy dyan. May clap kayo. Heal muna.
Ready.
Three-way fight. Uy, spread. Looking sa atin ha. Huwag na counter fast, okay? Lakaran nyo agad to papuntang likod, mga DPS. Wala nang tayong blight eh, so we can brawl. Spread lang. Hodge yan ha, naka-dash. Okay? Come north muna. Pwede tayo ma-engage on both sides eh. We're gonna go northwest then southwest. Come.
May meeting stone, 4-way na.
Come northwest. Then come southwest.
Brawl.
Come southwest. Ark, mag-regir ka. Come southeast. On that guy, 3? No. My bad. Just spread here. May water beach tayo. You can go there. Pag pinakit ko kayo. Hold. Nasaan yung ibang guild?
Nakamount up yung tight comp, yung agila. Kasama nila yung 1 gin. Kasama sila.
Okay, come northwest.
Mixed guild.
Wait lang.
Come up lang.
Ako, magpupul ako. Wait, huwag kayo sumunod sa akin. Brawl nyo tong guard. Pag mag-heal ka, dito ka sa wall, pag heal mo ako. Wait, I'm gonna pull again. Dito, yung healers na mag-heal sa akin Qs and W. Def. Hold.
Engage.
Huwag niyo push. Come southwest. 3-way fight, remember. Come southeast. Come southeast. Baka kasi, wait lang.
Di pa di-dismount yan, mamaya tayo.
Okay, come southwest. Again. After the engage, we're gonna counter on the choke. Papa-engage yun ako.
Nakamoto sila dito. Nakamoto.
Hold. Okay, sabihin nyo pag nag-dismount ka. Nagbe-bait lang ako. Pail ako.
Kuha ka pa ng guards, Floaty.
Wait lang. Yung healer kasi, Grimnir. Dito ka mag-heal sa crown, dito mismo. Kung i-heal nyo ako. Sa wall kayo para hindi ma-diagro yung yung mobs. Be ready. Rigir Ark. Come fast. Def. On the choke, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Nice kill. Come back.
Nakamoto pa sila, kailangan.
Patay na yung collar.
Push.
Wait. Yung ano.
Nakamoto pa sila.
Sige. Heal lang.
Brawl lang.
Ready, def. Ready, spread. Come inside. Clear the guards. Don't clear. Wag pala. Mag-leave kayo ng isang guard.
Ay, patay na lang itong yung range na lang.
Yung range patay nyo. Wag nyo na patayin yung maliit. Just hold it. Fail lang, fail.
May isa pa floating meeting
Vermin.
stone. East dismounted.
Nasaan, nasaan?
East.
Wag...
Roll din tong meeting.
Full brawl. Ata.
Sa southeast, ayun. May naka-dismount na tank sa southeast ah. Actually, medyo marami sa southeast. Medyo marami.
Okay, hold lang sa inside.
Nagmamount up na
Ingat kayo
sila.
dyan sa southwest, ah.
Mount up na yung southwest, mount up na.
Nagmamount up ng
Okay,
southwest.
nasa southeast tayo, just hold. Yo, come southeast, come southeast. Catch. Pakatch. Southeast, southeast.
Wheeler ako na wala.
Wait. Southeast, 3.
Nag-depot sila, nag-depot sila.
Southeast. No.
Nag-depot sila, over the ano.
Come back inside. Full brawl yan, come back inside. Come back inside.
Nag-walk
inside. Brawl inside. Spread. You need to spread. Spread. Yo, inside. Come inside. Heal my back.
Kaya.
Ito floaty oh. Itong tank ko. Floaty
Eh,
yung tank.
Blowing tank.
Wag.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. Now. Now come. Brawl. Don't come back. Brawl. Pats. Brawl. Drop Judy's.
West yung southwest.
Come north. Keep going north. Heal. Keep going north west. May clap kayo.
Ready,
Meron
Darling,
na.
ready.
Northwest. Inside 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Hey, kite. You need to kite first. Pull at us. Kite boys. It's 3-way fight. Kite. We can brawl yet. Wait. Just pull at us. Keep walking. Walk west. Hold now. We're the smallest here, okay? Just be ready.
Pahil lang ako. Nire-ready ko lang stock ko.
Nasan yung isang block? Wait.
Meron 1,000 northeast mo float ya. May 1,000 northeast mo.
Come northwest. Loot nyo yan. Come west. Yo, come northeast. Walk northeast. May club kayo?
Ready.
Okay, walk northeast lang. Walk.
Vermin na uli yan floaty ah. Nagregir yan.
Okay. We're gonna brawl now, okay? Just keep walking. Kung makakatch yung tank ko. Go, we're gonna brawl. Field mark is color, okay? Yo, northeast deep. 3, 2, 1, northeast deep. Now. Brawl. Be more on west side, okay? Brawl west side. Just brawl, just keep brawling. Healers spread. Come northeast. No, come southwest. Everyone, come southwest. Find crown. Southwest. South. Def. Nice. Brawl them. Southwest. 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Wala ko na uli. My bad. Brawl. Just brawl. It's okay. Just drop yung mga sides. Yung east. Tignan yung east. Go, brawl them.
Meeting stone looking ah.
Okay,
Yung iba pala.
Nakamount yan. Just keep rolling. Spread lang guys. Spread lang. Keep rolling. Ready, def. Def. Nice. Yo, northwest in 3, in 2, in 1, inside. Just brawl. Brawl. Heal. May Judy ako dito. Sa Judy. Nice. Brawl northwest. Yo, ready def, north southwest ah. Ready def southwest. Come north. Everyone, come north. North in 3, 2, in 1. North now. On me. Just on me. Just drop. Yung tank, patay nyo na. Come north. Watch southeast, watch southwest ah. Sige, brawl nyo yung north. Full pressure north. Def southwest.
Nag-engage yung vermin.
Sige, full pressure north. Yo, everyone come south. Heal nyo muna yung nasa sa north ko. Everyone, wait.
Hindi ako floaty.
Okay, come southwest. West deep. 3, 2, 1. Just on me. Okay, brawl lang. Huwag kayo
Wala nang money healer.
Just come south. Ready def. It's 3-way fight, kaya magulo. Yo, just brawl. Ready, def. Nakatingin ha. Nakatingin. Ready your def. They're looking at our healers. Ready, def.
Ready ako, floaty.
Def. Heal. Nice,
Floaty.
nice.
Minus 1 healer nila.
Northeast, 3, 2, 1, northeast now. No.
Stun ako.
Sige. Brawl nyo. Ilang ng E. Kill nyo.